there is a persistent, long-pending demand also from the seaman side to have a seaman welfare club in the port premises. That also we are working on that. Last year also we discussed, we could not progress well because the land policy, lease related issues are there. So we wanted to solve it. I already had a discussion with the shipping also. Something will develop this year. At least some progress will happen. I require the assistance of Mr. Godrej also, so that we will jointly do this project, so that it will be a very good facility for the marine corridor and seamen also.
We cannot ignore the safety and security of the country. When we have such a maritime and vast coastline, there is always a security threat from the neighbors that we have already experienced in the Mumbai attack, how the terrorists came through the sea. So, the safety and security of the coastline is at most important. But our Navy and Coast Guard is doing a wonderful job in protecting our coastline. I am happy that Customs also playing a small role as the second line of defense in the security of the country, in the surveillance as well as coordination with the Coast Guard and Navy. In fact, the Salvage programs which we are organizing, we also jointly participate with the Coast Guard as the second line of defense with the state police and the Coast Guard.